We're having trouble this morning getting Big Eye off the bed. He seems to be scared of this floor. Big Eye, come on. You could do it. You could. I might have to pick you up. You're a big fella. Come on. Come on. You could do it. Oh. Come on. Are you shaking earlier? Oh, come on. Right here. Come on, Big Eye. If we leave, I'll probably just start whining. Come on. Oh, Dunk's there with you? So you're okay?
This is ridiculous.
Buddy.
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 What happened?
Oh, no. Come on. It's time to get up. Come on. I know you want up. Come on. Let's go get some food. You know you want some food. Look at you. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Come on. You can do it. I know. Come on. Well, that's not it. Look, your bone's down here.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Are you scared? You want me to pick you up?
Oh, just pick him up.
Well, you gotta come here so I can pick you up. That's a good double shake, but I can't. Come on, pick you up. Hurry. Yeah, but come here. Come here. Bye-bye.
He just doesn't want to get off the bed.
Buddy, come on. Where's Mama? You want Mama? Come on. Let's walk out real quick.
What up?
Come on. Come on, Big Eye. Come on.
So ridiculous.
Big Eye. Oh, he's shaking again.
Oh no. Stop shaking.
Oh, he's shaking. What happened? It's such a big baby. And you're gonna have to get out of bed. You probably gotta go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
You definitely gotta eat. You know you're hungry. I suppose I could pick you up, but you gotta...
He's so happy. He loves having us do things for him.
Come on. See, you licked the bed real good, Big Eye.
Yeah, you licked it great.
Come on. Are you stuck?
Oh no. It's ridiculous.
Oh. Come on. Come on. I know. Yeah, I know. What, am I picking you up like that?
Dance with him.
Come on. You got it. Is it this ladder? Is this ladder messing with you? You don't have to have that ladder there. There you go. And you got a wide open spot.
Wide open.
Come on. I know.
I have idea.
Come here.
I have idea. Here.
Is that a bone? That's a bone? You gonna get that bone?
Do you want?
That's not even working.
He's too scared.
Hold on. Let me get that bone.
Oh yes. Oh, huh? No. One, 2, 3.
on. It's time.
Big fella. Maybe he thinks he's gonna go to the vet.
You're not going anywhere. You're just gonna go out in the living room.
Yeah.
Maybe the kitchen. Maybe the backyard. That's about it. That's the only places you gotta go.
Oh my gosh, why is he laying on your face?
Are you scared? Nobody really knows why you're scared. You're a big baby. Yeah.
You're a big baby.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on. Come on.
Big guy.
Big guy. Right there. Oh.
Big guy.
It's just the ground. We checked your foot. You got nothing wrong. There's nothing. It's not hard. It's not sharp.
Yeah.
This is too hard for a big eye.
No, is it too smooth?
I could pick you up, but you apparently not letting me pick you up.
Try pick him up one more time. Oh. This is hilarious. Try one more time.
This is the most ridiculous thing you've done.
See, we picked you up inside the car. You're okay with it.
If we leave the broom, he's gonna just whine.
Yeah.
He's gonna cry.
He's gonna cry his little
You
butt
don't even
off.
want to stay in here. It's pretty obvious. You want to come out.
But you're scared. Maybe I got an idea. Hold it.
We need to get Mom.
I'm gonna bring his bowl and a bowl of food, and then he'll come out.
It might. I don't know. Got it. You gotta come. Come on. Belly rub. That's what bellies do. Come on. Let's try again. Is this floor? Come on. There's food right there.
There's food. There's food. This is so ridiculous.
Classic case when your 110-pound white lab is a big baby. And is apparently scared of the floor.
He's shaking.
This is why you're whining all night? Because you wanted to lay down? You've been on this floor though. That's what I don't get. You've been on it.
Yeah. There's nothing.
You got up in the bed.
Oh, you stubbed your toe?
You did.
Oh, he stubbed his toe.
We gotta get unpacked in the house, big guy. Means you gotta get out. I mean, you're a big fella. There's food. You wanna eat? Come on. Come on. Come on, big guy. Come on. Come on. Come on, big guy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's already whining now. Bear. Come on. Alright. Third attempt. Or eighth attempt, really. You didn't move.
You didn't move at all.
Alright, Don. I'll just follow him. I'm gonna get you off that bed.
Yep, you're gonna get off of bed.
Come on. Come here. Come I know you're shaking. Oh, come on. Oh,
Get him, get him.
scared.
So ridiculous.
I don't know what the problem is here. Look, little Sarah's right there. Little Sarah's right there.
And why don't you want to get off?
What is your problem? Well, you do good handshakes. Something wrong with your foot. It looks fine. It looks fine. Look at little Sarah. He's doing whatever he wants to do. Come on. Come on, brother. You can do it. You want me to put this? There's this little pillow. I put it on the ground. You can land on. Right there. See it? Come on. Come on.
Clamber. We need mom.
Alright, pause it. Wait for mom.
Get you Clamber, the night of 1,000 suns. Look at you. Burger shine light in 1,000 suns. Look at you, Clamberger, shining a light of 1,000. Look at you, Clamberger, shining of a light from a...
Oh.
He's been dead scared.
Are you still shaking?
He's been scared to death.
What happened? What has happened to you?
Shining light from 1,000.
I know you gotta go to the bathroom. You definitely gotta go.
Yeah, just go. You could get off the bed and then you could go.
What is your concern here? What is this? Does your stomach hurt?
Oh, he must have a stomach ache.
Does it?
Shining light.
I mean, if you were never gonna get off the bed, then why were you whining all morning to get me up? Hmm? Look at how are we gonna get you off the bed? Should I man carry him off the bed?
Yes. I mean, what else are you gonna do? What else?
Alright, this has gotta end, big guy.
Stop
You're not
being a
gonna
big
like it.
baby.
Get her!
Of course he's not gonna like it.
Alright. That's enough. You ready?
But up. Shining a light from
I'm not
1,000.
gonna like this, and I might even fall. I don't know.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Just throw him off. Throw him off.
He's like planted in the bed. He's like digging in.
Are you?
I don't know if I get it. If he gave some kind of assistance. Come on. Come on.
It's like he's not putting any effort into helping. 1, 2, 3, butter!
Come on, Bear. Slide in your way.
1, 2, kick out! Kick out, butter!
Take a break. Get her. Get her. Take a break. Get a belly rub.
No! 1,
So much hair.
2,
Get her.
3, and it's over! Oh
All
my
right, big guy?
gosh. Butter.
I'm about to put my feet on the ground. Once I put my feet on the ground, I'll be able to pick you up, big guy. What's he looking like? You
Tired.
terrified?
Tired.
He's shaking all over. It's okay, big guy. Oh, he's shaking again.
1, 2,
Oh, don't do this. He's scaring him.
3.
Nobody understands what the problem is. Alright, here we go. Here we go.
By the way, it's so crazy. I lost the phone for a sec.
Come on.